Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a schedule in Google Sheets. So in here, I've already opened my Google Sheets app on my Android phone, and if you don't want to bother create a schedule sheet from scratch, you can just use the template provided by the Google Sheet. Just click on the plus icon and then click on choose template, and in here find the schedule template, and you can just click on that template and wait until the templates open. Okay, so here is the daily schedule file or template, and you can just make some adjustment, like you can change the month, the hour, and also the days, and you can also add some to-do list here and notes. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.